Why do I still feel triggered even after therapy? Why does my body not relax even when I know I am safe? Why does trauma feel stuck in my system? If you have ever asked these questions, today's video is for you. Because trauma is not only stored in your memories, it is stored in your nervous system. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Ria and I am a certified mental health professional. Every day I help people overcome trauma and emotional health issues using neuroscience-based information, tips, techniques and skills. Wait a second, I have to fix something here. Okay, should be good. Okay. So today I want to share something both personal and professional. Most of my clients asked me why I choose to get trained in access consciousness and body consciousness process, even though I was already trained in EMDR, and EMDR is a highly effective treatment approach. So let us look at some of the scientific causes and let us look at this deeper. Think of trauma like fire alarm system. Now imagine the alarm went off during a real fire many years ago. Now the fire is gone, the house is repaired, everything looks fine, but alarm system is still hypersensitive. Even a steam from bathroom shower triggers it. Any noise, any sign of danger, alarm goes on. That's why that's what trauma does to your nervous system. EMDR helps process the memory of fire. It tells your brain the danger is over, release it, let it go. But sometimes the wiring in the body is still sensitive. And that's what I observed clinically. When I worked with many high-functioning adults, they are business owners, they are successful professionals, they are on the top of the ladder, they understand their trauma intellectually. They have worked on it through therapy or out of the therapy. They are quite aware. They will say, I know my childhood affected me. I know that relationship was unhealthy. I know I am safe now, but their shoulders are still tight or any body part is holding some pain. Their sleep is still disturbed. Their body is still braced. They are most of the time tight. The system. They have trust issues. You do not become hyper vigilant just like that. It's not just one thing to address. Each negative experience wires your fear brain for survival. Trauma recovery is not just about changing thoughts. It is about restoring safety in the body. And this is where access consciousness and body consciousness processes become relevant in my trauma work. It's not a replacement for EMDR, but as an addition. Access bar sessions gently calm the nervous system. They help reduce stored stress and subconscious resistance. When body feels safe, deeper healing becomes possible even with the lack of words and rational talk. But healing is layered. EMDR helps the brain to let go. Body work helps the nervous system trust that letting go. Here is one small exercise you can try today. You can pause and ask your body, You can put your hand on your heart or anywhere wherever you feel pain and ask, do I feel safe right now? Not mentally, but physically, deep in there, connect with your real self. And then take 5 slow breaths and move your hands away from the body. You can remove from the chest. So notice if your shoulders soften or any body part go loose. That experience will tell you how your body is holding trauma. Body release fear through safety practices. If you are looking for some practical help in releasing trauma and intense emotions, I also have a workbook in the description box below. The book is free. Try writing as per this workbook. Most of my clients find it very helpful in releasing intense emotions and getting grounded. I hope you're finding this video helpful. If yes, it would make sense to like and subscribe so that you can continue receiving my new videos without looking for them. And if you are looking to learn and practice highly effective mental health related techniques and methods all at one place, you can try buy my books, Heal Your Inner Child. It's on Amazon and link is in the description box. This book is full of methods to help you regulate emotional pain and feel calm. So coming back to our today's discussion, this integrative approach is especially helpful if you are high functioning but internally restless. Especially trust. You find it so hard to trust anyone, anywhere, for anything. If you overwork and you cannot relax. If you understand your trauma but still feel triggered anytime, anywhere by anyone. Or if you feel safe logically but not physically and internally. Ask yourself, do I feel safe when nothing is wrong? The word safety itself, many of my clients tell me it triggers them. And if your answer is also no, your nervous system may still be in survival mode. But that's not weakness. There is nothing wrong for you. It requires adaptation. If you are struggling even to take baby steps, I would advise you to take professional help. If you want to improve yourself non-medicinally, you can reach out to me. I am professionally trained and experienced in special therapeutic approach known as EMDR, and I also combine it with bars and body processes now. All these processes are internationally acknowledged and successful for people who have experienced trauma or stuck in any mental health issues. You don't have to continue struggling. Help is always available when you are ready to gift it to yourself. Trauma recovery is not about forcing yourself to move on. It is about rewiring, releasing, and regulating. The same brain that adapted for survival can adapt for safety. And you deserve to feel safe in your own body. Sometimes people wonder, hey, trauma was all psychological. Why are we talking about body? Well, body and brain are not separate. When you go through things psychologically, it was a threat to body actually. So if someone's screaming, yelling at you, are you thinking that, oh, this person gonna break my head and they gonna like chew and eat my brain? No, you are scared for safety of your body. In any manner. Is this person gonna attack me? Are they gonna do something bad to me? Are they gonna steal something from me? Are they gonna take away any of my loved possessions? Your body is scared of losing something. It could be just $5. That is threat to your safety. Somebody coming to you and they taking away your $5. That's trauma to your body, to your brain. So whole world is running after fixing the brain to release trauma impacts, and body is ignored. The brain is here, and how big our body is. This 5 feet 6 feet long body. She's holding the trauma. Who is working on it? Deeper level. So that's the thing. Most of the people do not know. The secret of joy, happiness, release from trauma, secret of creating prosperity, abundance, safety in life, happy relationships. If not happy, contented relationship, safe relationship. We don't have to exactly chase the happiness and joy. Can I just feel safe, relax? That's what body and mind are looking for. And all these three processes, they help person reach there. Your body and mind are always ready to work towards recovery. It is us. We put barriers because something is not fitting in my logic brain. Well, if you are a kindergarten student, you are a grade 5 student, and you're hearing a knowledge which is PhD level, it won't make sense to you. The things I speak now, I read now, making sense to me now, all of this was not making sense to me when I was 20-year-old. When I was, let us go back 15 years ago. Human brain is regularly evolving with practice. But brain do not have same access to body. Your body need to be involved in healing process. So I hope all of this is making sense to you. I really try to explain things in simple, easy way. If you feel like exploring more, I have couple of playlists list there. There is trauma healing hacks, which is full of short trips. Maybe I want to go somewhere. So most of my videos have tips, techniques, mindset related, small easy steps anyone can practice. When you remove that one layer, you're ready to go on to the next one. One thing do not fix everything, but that one thing is a step on this ladder of reaching at the top. And top doesn't mean, oh, I got this world. Top means, what are you seeking? What give you ultimate happiness? So everyone's top of the ladder definition is different. So whatever is that for you, your body and mind can fully, completely, they can take you there. But you have to follow science instead of remaining trapped with cognitive brain. Cognitive brain have only access to 10%. 90% is subconscious and mysterious. Since it is mysterious, we don't even know what are we holding inside. And an experienced and professional therapist can help you. So for body and bar processes, this require in-person meeting. If you are somewhere close to me in Surrey, in Lower Mainland, somewhere around Lower Mainland, BC, you can meet me personally. Otherwise, if you are far from me, you can reach out to anyone close to you, whoever is facilitator of body and bars processes. Experience it, you right away gonna feel the change. EMDR can be done virtually as well. If you want to do rest of the work with me other than hands-on work, then you can reach out to me. And for EMDR intensives, for energy healing work, and then I can help you to get over where you are stuck right now. So I will meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.